Hi, tonight I'm going to show you how to make electric sparklers. Take a steel wool pad, the finest grade you can buy from the hardware store, which is grade 0000, and unroll the steel wool pad into a long sheet. Then take a zip tie and zip tie one end of the steel wool pad very tightly. Now, the zip tie you will hold on to as part of your sparkler. Now what happens is you take the 9-volt battery, and when you touch it to the steel wool pad, it will begin to spark, and then swing the steel wool pad using the zip tie in circles to create the sparkler effect. Let me demonstrate. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.